Hello everyone, welcome to Naz Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at perfectly right place. Today I'm going to teach you 10 vegetable names in British English. Are you ready? Let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go and subscribe to my channel. I'm your teacher. I'm teaching you. What's that? It's an aubergine. Aubergine. What's that? That's courgette. Courgette. This is potato. Potato. What's that? It's tomato. Tomato. What's that? Cabbage. Cabbage. What's that? It's a carrot. Carrot. What's that? It's a leek. Leek. Last one. What's that? It's a broccoli. Broccoli. You can fill out the form in the description of this video and get free PDFs of all the British English vocabulary regarding vegetables. Keep smiling. Lots of love.